Hi, everyone. Welcome to Monday Morning Mastery, powered by the Next Academy, leadership built for contractors. I'm Cody Phillips. As always, I hope this finds you ready to attack the week ahead. This Wednesday night, we have class 15 of the Next Academy, and to me, it's honestly one of the most important lessons we teach throughout the year to our contractor participants from around the country. We're going to tackle and analyze the F word, failure. It's important to first recognize that failure will happen. And when it does, you have two options. You can accept it and stay average, or you can use it as an opportunity to grow. Is that harsh? Absolutely. But in my experience, it's also very true. The phoenix must burn to emerge. You can use failure as a crutch, an excuse for stagnation, continue to dwell on the perceived failure, or you can learn from that failure and use it to move forward in growth, in vision. You can't continue to have a negative relationship with failure. Unfortunately, societal norms have made the majority of society extremely fearful to fail, and it's crippled many of your dreams. Listen, we all fall short. We are human, which means flaws, which means messing up. The single act of failing is rarely what stops us. It's giving up, following the letdown that stops us. Failure is a massive part of success. Failure is where the lessons are. Think of when you're in the gym working out. You're striving to take your muscles to the point of exhaustion, to the point of failure, because that's where the adaptation happens. That's where the growth happens. Our lives are no different. Extract the lessons and wisdom from those failures. At the Next Academy, we're challenging our contractor participants to strive for peak performance. And to live there, at that edge of your capabilities, you will inevitably fail. Failure helps you recognize the areas where you need to evolve and grow. Failure makes winners stronger. Next time you encounter failure, do not give up. Think about when you first learned to walk or ride a bike. Failure after failure after failure, but you didn't even consider giving up, quitting. But as we mature into adulthood, we begin to seek comfort, and quitting or giving up aligns much more with comfort. Excuses enter, and we give into those. It's easier for many of us to reconcile giving up than it is to even risk failing. Failure is not permanent unless you make it so. As Winston Churchill so eloquently said, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Failure is the stepping stone to ultimate success. Just because you failed does not make you a failure. I challenge you to embrace this life with a new relationship to failure. I don't care what people say. I don't care what people think. I'm going to courageously pursue greatness. And when failure comes, I'll pick myself up, learn from it, and come back stronger and better than I was before. Remember, as Dennis Waitley once said, failure should be our teacher, not our undertaker. Failure is delay, not defeat. It is a temporary detour, not a dead end. Failure is something we can avoid only by saying nothing, doing nothing, and being nothing. Thank you so much for your support of these messages and your willingness to continue to share with coworkers, friends, and family across all of the social media landscape. If I can ever help you in any way, please do not hesitate to reach out to myself or anyone at the Next Academy. We are always here to help. More importantly, find you the necessary resources that can continue to help you and your company on your personal and professional leadership journey. Please be safe and smart out there. I look forward to seeing you all again next week. Until then, attack the week ahead, own your life, and be next.